Hi, my name is David Brewer. I'm a sales application engineer here at Columbia Okura. Today we're going to be highlighting a project that we did for Bob's Red Mill at their location in Milwaukee, Oregon. Generally speaking, we handle the end-of-line systems for their case lines, but this is their first bagging system that we've provided for them. Although this is more of a standard solution, we've still included some of Bob's Red Mill's preferences, and we've tailored it to be a custom solution for their end-of-line systems with their bagging line. A primary difference between handling their case product and their bag product is the end-of-arm tooling. Their bags are easy to handle, so we've opted for a bag handling end effector. This allows for clean, uniform loads that are consistent every time. Another key difference between this and their typical palletizer is this is only handling one line as opposed to two lines. Some preferences that Bob's Red Mill has indicated that we include in their palletizers include a sheet table with mail slot doors for ease of access, as well as a powered discharge conveyor as opposed to a gravity conveyor. Although it's a relatively simple system, a lot of thought goes into the design to ensure that we're optimizing things like floor space, equipment handoffs, and providing a solution that works exactly as intended. If you'd like to learn more, you can visit us at columbiaokura.com.